Let's jump into the future. Imagine it's the year 2030. By then, you will have learned English fluently, you will have traveled the world, and maybe you will have met amazing people. How can we talk like this in English with the future perfect tense? Hello everyone and welcome back to my English channel English Talks. And today we will make the future perfect tense super easy. The future perfect tense is used when we talk about an action that will be completed before a specific time in the future. In today's lesson, we will cover the structure, the usage, negative and question forms, common mistakes, and practice together. By the end of this video, you will be confident using future perfect in your own sentences. Okay, let's go. The structure is very simple. It's subject plus will have plus past participle. For example, I will have finished my homework by 9 p.m. or she will have graduated by 2026. They will have left before you arrive. Remember, after have, always use the past participle. We want to learn the usage. We use it for number one, to describe an action that will be finished before a certain time in future time. Example, by tomorrow morning, I will have completed the report. Or by the end of this year, she will have read 50 books. Number two, to make predictions about completed actions in the future. For example, in 2 hours, they will have reached the airport. Or by next week, he will have repaired the car. Okay guys, hope you're doing okay so far, and let's go for negatives. To make negative form, we're going to need subject plus will not have plus past participle. For example, I won't have finished my project by Friday, or they will not have arrived by 10 p.m. You can also use words like probably or definitely. She probably won't have saved enough money by June. Now let's go for question. For making question, we're going to need will plus subject plus have plus past participle plus time expression. For instance, will you have completed your homework by 9? Or will she have graduated by next year? Or what will they have achieved by the end of the month? Remember, always use a time expression like by, before, by the time to make the meaning clear. Guys, if you're enjoying this lesson and learning something new, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of my future English lessons. Let's get back to the topic. Let's do the common mistakes. Number one, always use the past participle. I will have finished my work is wrong. You must say I will have finished my work. Number two, after will, always use have, never has. She will has graduated by next year is wrong. You must say she will have graduated by next year. Number three, after finish, don't use to. I will have finished to learn English is wrong. I will have learned English. Number four, forgetting the time expression. You're going to need by, before, and by the time. Like by 2030, we will have started our company. Let's practice together. Please fill in the blanks, guys, and make sure to comment below. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell icon for more English lessons. See you in the next video.